Let me ask you something. What if while you are sleeping, an AI is working for you? No, seriously. Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your phone, and before you even open WhatsApp or Instagram, an AI has already checked your email, filtered useless messages, replied to important ones, scheduled meetings, organized tasks, and maybe even planned your whole day. Sounds crazy, right? Like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the thing. This isn't some faraway future anymore. It has already started. And that is exactly why everyone is suddenly talking about AI agent. But honestly, I think most people still don't understand how big this really is. They hear AI agent and think, oh, another AI buzzword, or maybe, probably just another ChatGPT update. But no, this feels different. And I don't say that lightly. I genuinely believe we are witnessing one of the biggest shifts in how humans work. Think about the last few years. AI has been everywhere. It can write articles, generate images, clone voices, and even create videos. All of that is impressive. But there was one major limitation. AI had intelligence, yes, but it lacked initiative. It was powerful but passive. It sat there waiting for your next command. You had to guide every step, tell it what to do, what to fix, what to generate. In short, AI could help you, but only when you actively used it. That's where AI agent changed everything. Here's the simplest way to understand it. Normal AI is like a very smart employee. An AI agent is like a very smart employee who also takes initiative, and that difference is massive. It doesn't just answer questions, it can think through a task, make decisions, take action, and keep moving toward a goal with far less human involvement. In simple words, it gets work done for you. And the moment AI stop waiting and start acting, the entire equation changes. Let me give you a simple example. Suppose you run a YouTube channel. Yeah, like us. To make one good video, you need to find a topic, research it, write a script, record it, edit it, create a thumbnail, write a title and description, optimize SEO, upload it, and finally promote it. That's a lot. Now you know. And if you are doing everything yourself, it drains both your time and mental energy. Now imagine telling an AI agent just one thing. Help me create a viral AI video for this week. That's it. Just one instruction. And instead of waiting for your next command every few seconds, the agent starts working on its own. It checks trending topics, analyzes competitor, find content gaps, suggests better hooks, create a script draft, generate thumbnail ideas, suggest multiple titles, even recommend best upload time. That's not just automation. That's workflow execution. And this is exactly why big companies are racing toward AI agent, because business don't care only about intelligence. At the end of the day, they care about one thing: result, execution, output, and money. Because the next AI battle probably won't be about who has the smartest chatbot. It will be about who built the best digital worker. Sam Altman once said, AI will probably most likely lead to the end of the world, but in the meantime, there will be great companies. Funny quote, but there's real truth inside it. The companies that learn to use AI agent early could dominate entire industries. And here's the crazy part. Most people still aren't taking this seriously. It reminds of the early internet days. Back then, people used to say, why do I need a website? We all know what happens next. The people who adapted early won. The people who ignored it got left behind. Same pattern, different technology. Now let's simplify something. What exactly is an AI agent? Forget technical definition. Think of it as four things working together: a goal, memory, tools, and workflow. That last one, workflow, is the secret sauce, because without workflow, an agent is just intelligence with no direction. So what is workflow? Simple. A workflow is just the sequence of steps needed to complete something. That's it. For example, if you want to upload a YouTube video, you first choose a topic, then research it, write the script, record the video, edit everything, create the thumbnail, upload it, and finally promote it. That entire sequence is your workflow. Now imagine AI helping at every single step. That is an agent. Not magic, not robot taking over the world, just this. AI tools workflow altogether makes an agent. Now you might be thinking, okay, workflow sounds important, but how do I actually build one? Good question. First, pick one repetitive task, not 10, just one. Choose something you repeatedly do every week. Maybe researching content, replying to emails, generating leads, or planning posts. Start small. Second, write every step down. And I mean every step. Don't say make video. Break it down properly. Open YouTube, search topic, check competitors, read comments, find pain points, write hooks, draft script. Now you're seeing the real workflow. Third, find bottleneck. Ask yourself, where do I waste the most time? Which step feels repetitive? Where do I feel mentally drained? Those are usually the best opportunities for AI. Fourth, separate AI work from human work. This is important. Not everything should be automated. AI can research hundreds of videos in minutes, but your opinion, creativity, judgment, and trace, that should still come from you. This is where humans remain valuable. AI handles speed, humans handle judgment. That combination is powerful. And finally, connect everything into one system. Now it stops being random tools. It becomes a system. And once you stop thinking in tasks and start thinking in system, everything changes. That is leverage, and leverage changes career. Now let's talk about the question everyone asks. Will AI replace me? I don't think that's the real question anymore. I think the better question is, who will learn to use AI better? Because here's what I genuinely believe. AI may not replace you, but someone using AI better than you might. And that is the real shift. Elon Musk said you should assume that AI will be able to do everything. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but if you look at this direction, it's obvious. Smarter model, better memory, more autonomy, less manual work. That's why everyone is talking about AI agents right now. Because we are moving from AI as an assistant to AI as an operator. And the people who understand this early will have a massive advantage. The future isn't waiting, it's already here. The only question is, are you ready for it?